Hey guys, back with another quick video here. And before we start, yes, the car is filthy. Look at that. That's Canadian winter. They spray all that de-icer crap on the road, and between the cold and the rain, I haven't gotten around to washing her yet, so it's what I have to deal with. But in today's video, if you watch the channel, you know I've got the AWE Catback exhaust. And a few months ago, that's how long this has been taking, we got this in the mail. You can see July 8th. This is like this is December 8th almost. Causes unreasonable noise. They're saying that the car is too loud. Because for those of you who don't know, I'm in a strata complex. I got a townhouse, so apparently one of the neighbors is complaining. Which, the exhaust is a little bit loud, I admit it. When it first fires up, like any cold start, that first crack is loud, but it's not like I'm sitting out here idling, revving my engine like crazy. I fire it up and I leave. So basically, set up a meeting with the people. They say, it's your car, that's it. All I asked was where the complaint was, what time, because I work really weird hours, so if they're complaining, oh, the car's revving at 2 o'clock in the morning, I can tell them to stuff it because clearly it's not me, I'm at work. So yeah, that's what I've been dealing with. So basically we set up that meeting. They said, oh, well, we'll put it as a warning for now. Then another month passed, and I got the same letter in the mail. They're supposed to send me a letter saying, okay, talked about it, warning, blah, blah, blah. So I get this exact same letter in the mail, just with a different date. It was like September something. So, same thing, go back. I said, we're back here again. How do you know it's my car? They said, well, because they said so, basically. Whoever's putting in the complaint. So I said, well, what time and what day and how do they know it's my car? Because I know there's a few neighbors in the same area. I'm not going to go rat them out and say, hey, well, it's so-and-so's car, because I'm not a dick like that. But then basically, they say tough shit, and your car's too loud. So wait again, another email or letter in the mail. Same letter a third frickin' time. So I emailed the guy, and he said, oh, call me whatever hour, I don't remember. So I called him, and what does he say? Oh, well, we can't let you know who sent the complaint. I said, I don't care who sent the complaint, I just want to know details about it. So basically what he says is, okay, well, we can't give you any details about it, but we know it's your car, so we're going to have to come and look for ourselves, is what he wants to do. So now they want to come into my house, or in the garage, and listen to my car, and then they can decide if it's too loud or not. So I told him to stuff it. He's not coming in my house, because I want to see details beforehand to see if it's even my car. So that's what I've been dealing with. It's a pain in the butt, but whatever. The AWE Catback is awesome. Worst case, I got Big Bertha here still. We'll throw her back on. The idiots can come and listen to the stock exhaust, and as soon as they leave, garage door down, Catback goes right back on. But, so yeah, it's been my pain in the butt for the last couple of months, but whatever. Car's not changing. And basically, if you're wondering what happens if I don't change it or it's too loud and all that, they can find me according to our strata. I think it's $200 a month. So if I have to pay $200 a month, so be it. Then I'm gonna go straight online and we're ordering the long tube catless headers, because if they want the car to be loud, then they're gonna see a loud car. And it's not like when I'm driving out of here, I'm 100 miles an hour out of the driveway. If I putt out of here, I don't think the car's ever reached over 2,000 RPM leaving the friggin' complex. So if you know the car, you know it revs out to almost 8 grand. So I've only been at 2,000 RPM so far in the complex. If they want to see another 6 added to that, then so be it. I don't like being the dink of a neighbor, but whatever. If they're gonna do that, then so be it. I know my neighbors right around me, they're all cool with it. They have their own cars as well. So yeah, that's basically what I've been dealing with for the last bit. Just thought I'd throw this out here as a quick video. And if you're interested in the Catback exhaust, I'm gonna be doing a review here pretty soon, so make sure thumbs up, subscribe, and sorry for the boring video, but I just thought I'd fill you guys in on a little bit of the crap that I have right now. Hey guys, one other thing I forgot to mention downstairs was when I emailed the guy, or when I called him, sorry, and I said, well, how do you know it's my car? And he went, oh, well, because the complaint says it's your car. I told him, well, so I can basically call in or email in and complain about every person's car in the entire complex and say that they're too loud and it's disrupting my life or whatever the heck they want to say. And they just take my word for it. And then he went, and he couldn't answer my question. So it's like a little bit of a dictatorship in here, apparently. But he didn't like that when I told him. So is what it is. We'll see where it goes. And like I said a minute ago, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. We're getting close to 400 subscribers, so thanks to everybody that subscribed. And I'll keep you posted on how this ends up. Might be doing a video on how to put your stock exhaust back on for a day. But is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys.